Kung kubalik after 20 minutes kay busy ko sila, ako tang i-ask lang po if pwedeng possible, we'll just leave our bags first kasi baka ang sa elevator punuan or baka sabay-sabay dumating yung mga tourist. We leave our bags first sa lobby if merong area doon na we can leave our bags, and then after that punta muna tayo sa sanctuary before tayo para makapasok para hopefully we can maahabol natin yung washing of the face, and then later alam naman natin kung sana yung hotel, malapit lang sa sanctuary. So gano'n na lang po muna, and yun, tinawagan ko rin yung kabilang bus kung okay lang sa kanila yun, so it's okay with them. Thank you. Is just on the other side, pero magtuyok-tuyok yun siya. Sana dito po nyo sa sana dito kung maglakaw, but kung lalakarin lang pwedeng doon area, but kailangan nating umikot, but we are really close to our hotel. Church kana siya, diha na ang sanctuary. I'm going to the house of Saint Bernadette, going there, up there. So church. Ito yung pinaka main na church, but at the back of it, right side, doon yung grotto. Diretso na po tayo, sir, but I just have to confirm with the hotel kung pwedeng iwan yung luggage sa lobby. And then we'll just go directly there para hindi matagalan sa elevator. And sa ilalim nito, itong right side na ito na grounds, may malaking simbahan dyan. Kung umuulan, dyan din sa loob ang procession. And then the museum is here. Ito ka na, Reggie. This is the museum. Yeah. The museum. confirm with the hotel what time ang dinner unya, ma'am. Very near, yes, very near also sa atong hotel is the Filipino restaurant. Maybe some of you would want to go on a food trip, pero Filipino. Nagtuyok-tuyok na ta, ma'am. Oo, nagtuyok-tuyok na ta kay umikot-ikot lang tayo kasi maliit, and then meron down close road. So on our right is our hotel. Going right is our hotel. Going left is yan na yung sanctuary, dire-diretso.